Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video I will share with you how to thread your manual sewing machine. This is my thread, and the first thing I'll do is to place my thread on the spoon pin. Then I'll pass it across my sewing machine this way. Then I'll place it here. Then I'll pass it through my tension spring. I will make sure it enters inside very well. Then I'll pass the thread through the thread take-up lever from the back. Then I'll pass it through the slack thread regulator this way. Then I'll pass the thread through the eye of the needle. After that, I'll bring out my bobbin case and my bobbin to make sure they are intact. I'll fix it into each other. You make sure you place the thread properly, you pass it through so that your needle will be able to pick up your thread. Then I'll open my slide plate and insert my bobbin case this way. And I'll make sure my bobbin case is placed properly on my rotary hook. Then I'll pick up the thread from the needle. Then I'll turn the balance wheel in order for the needle to pick out the thread from the bobbin case. Once it picks up, I'll drag it out a little bit. If it picks up, it indicates that your threading is okay. Then you close up your slide plate. That is basically all on how to thread your 2-lion manual sewing machine. This is me trying to show you how to pedal your machine. You bring your legs backward first before you take it forward, and backward, forward, and that is it. So after you've thread your machine and you know how to pedal, the next thing is to stitch. You do is to place your fabric under, then you bring down your presser bar lifter in order for your presser foot to come down. Then you stitch. Then you use your stitch regulator to control your stitch, either to stitch backward or forward. Thanks for watching. I hope you've learned something new today. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos.